People do not realize how much data is really out there. Getting an understanding of how much data can personally identify you and who has access to that data, it's so large.
As data becomes a commodity, there has to be some kind of like regulation in holding people accountable for the data use. And I think Immuta slides into that accountability part of the whole data idea flawlessly.
We are all really engaged in a singular mission, and that's to make sure that we are doing right with people's data.
Doing right with data means to me that you are aggregating it and using it well, but also conscientiously. So you are able to have it en masse, but protected, so those who are using it are able to get the insights they need and nothing more.
Doing right with data really for me is about the ethical use. It's really, what did the customer think we were doing with the data? What does the employee think we're doing with the data? And how do we use it in a way that creates value, but also doesn't violate those tendencies of privacy and trust?
For the companies that I work with, is like, who is their Immuta? Now, like, what are they doing to protect my data in their space? Because I see how our customers leverage Immuta to protect their customers, and I want that to be the gold standard that everybody has.
What really drives me is not even necessarily our customers, it's our customers' customers, right? Which in turn are us. I get the great opportunity to interact with organizations that I use on a daily basis. So having that sense of confidence and like security that my data is safe within those companies is really rewarding.
Doing right with data is really this inherent responsibility you have to both your customers, your partners, and really like the organization as a whole to use the information the way you're supposed to.
As human beings, we need to be able to have an understanding of what is known about us. It comes back to that idea of having a natural right to privacy.